Hello everyone, it's Lynette with Charm Grammy Crochet. Welcome to the dining room. I'm getting an odd glare, but it is sunny out. And in Northern Ohio, we don't get a lot of those days. The time of year is coming where we're not going to get a lot of sun anymore. So I'm kind of, well, let's deal with it in the video, okay? um, we used to, just on a non-yarny note here, we used to get, like literally 6 months of glue minimum. And like it's getting global warming, I guess. I don't know. Every year it gets a little bit warmer and we get a little more sunshine. So we take it when we can get it. But that's not what this video is about. Oh, and I did vote today because today is voting day in Ohio. I don't know if everyone has things to vote on today across the country, but here we do. Some senators and governors and all the way down to stuff locally in the city. So I did my civic duty and voted. Pat on the back, right? No, because I haven't voted in a while and I was really concerned that they weren't going to let me vote because you have to vote so many times, in so many previous elections. So maybe I voted more than I thought, but my husband yells at me and I'm like, oh crap, it was voting day and I forgot. I think a lot of that was just from the shift that I worked. I was just tired and didn't think about it. Anyway, but the sad thing is they vote in my husband's school. He has to go early. He comes home for lunch and says, yeah, don't forget to go vote. Okay, I will. And then I forget. But I did today. So, yay, I finally did what I'm supposed to do, right? So today's video, though, is really about, I went to Hobby Lobby yesterday. I went there with 3 things in mind. One was it would be so cool if they had this thing, which I can't really talk about because it's a gift, but they didn't have it. So, but later at a future time, I can let you know what that gift was, but I can't let you know today. And I wanted buttons for my ugly Christmas 2022 sweater. And I was really hoping for like some cute snowman or something. I couldn't find anything in the sewing department. I'm like, what? They don't have any Christmas? I saw nothing. Oh, excuse me. Not only buttons, but I didn't see anything Christmas in the sewing stuff. I didn't look at the fabric though, because I don't really sew. I do know how to like sew a seam, but I really don't enjoy it a whole lot. So then I went into the yarn aisle because at Hobby Lobby, that's the next aisle over from there. And so it was not even a 30% off week. And they didn't have anything on sale. They didn't have anything too interesting looking, but I do have some yarn porn that I will show you. There was a woman walking up and down the aisles shopping, and there was a woman moving yarn around that actually worked there, so it was a little, like I felt a little weird doing too much videoing. And the good news is they weren't playing much music, so I think I can get away with this without having to try to edit anything out of it, so yay for that. But it's not a real long porn video, just a little bit of yarn. And then the third thing I wanted was that someone had put up, I think, a picture, like on their community tab, of an advent calendar in Hobby Lobby. They had, and it's in the 60% off stuff. So I asked the yarn lady that was working there. She had no idea what I was talking about, had not seen nor heard of it. So, and then I asked her about the buttons, and she said she did not work that department and had no idea. But if there was a yarn advent calendar, it might be with the Christmas stuff. So I headed my little body down there, and I found some like kiosk looking end cap thingies that, lo and behold, had buttons. They did have some buttons, a lot of them that I liked, but the ones I liked the best were either, these buttons are about 1/2 inch, and that's what the pattern I think says, about a 1/2 inch, 0.75. I don't know. I googled it to equal about a 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch. I don't know. So anyway, I bought these buttons because the other ones that I liked had lots of points. And you know, pointy things get stuck in your yarn, and I didn't want that to be an issue. If I'm going to wash it, I don't want to have to worry about it coming out all snagged up because of the buttons on it. So I bought these. They are, I do show them in the video, but they had a lot of cute ones, just not stuff that I thought would go necessarily very well with yarn. And so if you want to see what I did videotape in the store, they're coming out with a ton of beautiful and wonderful Christmas stuffs, from, you know, ornaments, decorations, crafts. No yarn advent calendar at that Hobby Lobby yet. She did say that maybe they will be, you know, there's just getting in their Christmas stuff. So, because I talked to several people, and they're like, yeah, we haven't seen that, haven't seen that. And I walked up all the aisles and nothing. So it was a little disappointing. I do have buttons though, so that was good. And I have some yarn porn to show you, to share with you. So that is also good. So I'm going to get this video up so you can see what they did have. Briefly, Joanne Barnes. She does not have a content channel, but she is a good friend and a subscriber to a lot of us. She's a Zoom sister. Do not go and subscribe to her. Or Elaine Brown. Neither one of them. Don't do that. Well, you can if you want to. We're encouraging them to do videos. Anyway, Joanne lives in Canada, and she winters in Florida, starting last winter. So she's going to be going to Hobby Lobby, and we were a little concerned that they were discontinuing a yarn, but it is not discontinued, and I do have footage of it for you, so check it out. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks. Bye. So I am at Hobby Lobby, and they have loads and loads of yarn. This is not the end row, but for Joanne, my friend Joanne Barnes, here are the Rainbow Rhapsody colors that they have right now. So this is the real pretty one that you liked of mine. It's gorgeous. And you might like this one. It's very vibrant. And this one, let's see, what is the name of this? Cornucopia. I'm saying that real well. That's real pretty. And they're $8.99. This is not a 30% off week. This one is also real pretty, and it is called Wild and Free. So that's what they have in what is it called? Oh, Rainbow Rhapsody. Then, you know, they have plenty of yarn here. Now, I asked, oh, this is new since I was here last. Okay, this is new since I was here last. Cording. Oh wait, you can't see it. For the home cording. It's kind of no, it's not very elasticy. It looks like it should be. Oh, I'm holding this the whole wrong way. Okay, I'm sorry. So this is new since the last time I was here. It is called For the Home Cording. It's $5.99. It's called Buff. It's 50% cotton, 50% polyester. It looks like a, reminds me of like elastic, but it's not elasticy. And this is not the 30% off week, but I had seen a post somewhere that they had 12-day advent calendars here and that they were 60% off, but they are not in the yarn department. These are cute. Okay. And notions, I need to look for something here. Look at how cute the sloth is.
Attention associates, Veronica, line 21, please. Veronica, line 21, thank you.
Okay, well, that's all I got for you from here, and I will see you later. Okay, just a little more yarn pulling for you. Look at this fluffy stuff. It is so soft. It's called Showstoppers. It is 10 ounces. Oops, crash. Heard something crashing. It's a jumbo 7, 50% acrylic, 50% polyamide, 15% wool. Wow, that's really soft stuff. And very fluffy. It looks like it hasn't even been spun yet. I got this big stuff down here too. It's only 26 yards. Well, here's some new Ammies. I don't think I have this one. I will take it. Guys, my cart is empty. It's not on sale this week. Oh look, they got these guys in. I haven't ever seen these here before. Yarntopia was something somebody was asking me about. Okay, been down this aisle already. All right, that's all I got now, for sure.
Attention all